Night fell, and the stars silently adorned the canvas of the sky as a dramatic chapter in the history of life on Earth unfolded. The horrifying spectacle caused by the asteroid even impacted the dinosaurs, who had evolved and established their dominion. The colossal crater formed by the asteroid's explosion propelled dust and smoke into the air, significantly affecting the quality of the atmosphere. This crater on the surface left a profound impact on the geological structure of the Earth. The energy wave unleashed into the atmosphere after the explosion triggered a global catastrophe, affecting not only the local area, but also causing widespread devastation among various life forms. Ecosystems collapsed, and biological diversity suffered a severe blow. The sky was filled with stars, hidden beneath a dark veil. The dust and smoke created by the asteroid spread into the upper layers of the atmosphere, blocking sunlight. Thus, a dark age began on Earth. The halt in photosynthesis due to the absence of sunlight disrupted the food chain. Trees, grass, and other plants disappeared, affecting the animals that relied on them. The scarcity of food initiated a period where living beings struggled against each other for survival. Dinosaurs, once dominant in their colossal world, rapidly dwindled. Difficulty in finding food, coupled with harsh climatic conditions and darkness, led to the extinction of these massive creatures. The sky fell into a silence in the vast world once ruled by living beings. Stars witnessed the darkness caused by the asteroid that wiped out 90% of life on Earth. Once again, the night, with its silence, intoxicated this world where life once reigned. However, now the Earth stood as a silent monument, having witnessed a prehistoric tragedy, marking the end of the era of dinosaurs.